Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Word and a document. This gets settings active immediately. Once the document is open, click File, then Options. This pathway accesses every preference. Make sure to select Proofing on the left. It houses spelling and correction tools. Then click Autocorrect Options to open the dialog where you enable and configure autocorrect. Doing this first places you exactly where changes take effect, so you don't toggle panes or menus unnecessarily. Proceed to the Options tab. Once the autocorrect dialog is open, check Replace Text as you type to turn on the feature across Word. Next, use the Replace and with fields to add or modify entries. Type the shorthand, then the corrected text, and press Add. This customizes behavior for your workflow. Also click Exceptions to block corrections for names, acronyms, or contextual cases so Word won't change what you intend to keep. Make deliberate edits here to avoid repetitive fixes later. Finish by pressing OK twice to save changes and return to your document. This commits autocorrect settings so they apply immediately. Test a few common typos to confirm behavior and use undo if Word corrects something incorrectly. This helps identify problematic entries. If autocorrect still misbehaves, make sure add-ins aren't interfering, or reset specific autocorrect entries rather than toggling the whole feature. One useful tip: recreate a problematic entry from scratch to clear hidden formatting or errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.